Hello everyone, this is Syntax Error and welcome to the first episode of the How to Code a Spigot Plugin Series. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at how we're going to use Intellij to create a project. And first of all, we're going to need to make sure that we have Java installed in our computer. You're also going to need Intellij. Now Eclipse also works fine for coding Spigot plugins, but it does have a slightly different project setup than Intellij. So for this video, we're going to take a look into Intellij first. And we're also going to need a Spigot 1.16.4.jar file. We're going to go through how to download this and the test server in the next video. But for now, all of these download links will be in the description. So first of all, we're going to double click on Intellij to open it up. And once it's opened up, you'll be seeing this window. You won't be seeing these three projects because this is the recent projects. So first of all, we're gonna need to go into plugins and download something called Minecraft Development. You can type it over here in the search box to search for it, and there should be a download button around here. And the reason why we're gonna need this is so that it brings support for Spigot, so we can code Spigot plugins. After we've downloaded this, we can go back to our projects and create a new project. So once we have clicked on new project, this new window will pop out. And so we have to go into Minecraft and you'll see this menu here with a lot of options. And we're going to select Spigot Plugin, which is what we're going to be coding for this series. And then we can click on Next. Then now we have to enter in the build settings, which includes the group ID, artifact ID, and the version of the plugin. So for our group ID, we're just going to enter in me dot, and we're going to put your name here. So I'm just going to put syntax error. And then for our artifact ID, we're going to need to put our name of the plugin that we want to code. So for example, I'm just going to put a tutorial and just add an ed there for no reason. And for version, we're just going to delete the snapshot because we don't really need the snapshot at the end of the 1.0. And make sure that you have Maven selected at this drop down menu here. And then after we've entered in the build settings, we need to make sure that there's no capital letters and no spaces. Then we can click on next. Then plugin name, we can just as usual, just leave it. And then for our Minecraft version, we need to select the latest version, which is 1.16.4, which is what we're going to be coding. And for our description, we're just going to write a tutorial plugin. You can change that to anything that describes your plugin that you want to code. And for authors, we're just going to write our name again. So I'm just going to type in syntax error. And then we have entered in the Spigot settings. Then we can click on next. For our project name, we are just going to enter in the exact same thing as what we entered here to make things simpler. So I'm just going to add it tutorial again. And for our project location, we'll just leave that be. Now we're going to click on finish. And this will start to generate our project for us. So once it's generated, we can click on project and it'll bring out the main class and the menu for us. So the first thing that we're going to take a look at is our main class. And you can see that it has the main class name, which is tutorial. And main class will always have extends Java plugin. And we have this at override, public void on enable, which means that the codes that are inside here will run whenever the plugin is started or whenever the server is started. But in this one, on disable, it will run the codes when the plugin is shut down or when the server is closed. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into file, then we're going to go on project structure, and then we're going to go to libraries, and we're going to go to this add button here and click on it to add a new project library and select Java. Then we are going to go to our desktop again and select the Spigot 1.16.4.jar file that we saw in the desktop earlier. And we can click OK. Then we just select OK to add it to the selected module. And then we click on apply and OK again. Then this will add the 1.16.4 Minecraft jar file to our module. So I guess that is the project setup. Yep. So I guess that's it for the creating project. We can start coding whatever here. If you want to look at the main class, we can always go to expand the project. You can go to src and expand it, go to main, expand it again, and Java expand. Then you'll see the main class over here. So I guess that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, which is how to create a test server. So I'll see you when I see you. Bye.